is August 17th, 2013 at 3:42 p.m. and as you can see, it is raining outside, and I am going to check and see how many of the ferals are lounging around being a nuisance. So far, there's nobody in the hallways. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to get the wall there. They're certainly not going to be on the wall, but they're not there. And as you can see, they are not up the stairs either. No one is there, just her garbage and H. But she's left there for 3 weeks. And she moved in. And Talley just ran up because she saw me. Other than that, there wasn't anybody here. That's it, just Talley. And like I said, I just drove in, so of course she came to see me. But there's no other kitties lounging, and it's pouring down rain. And so, you know, you can see what a nuisance they're being. And none on the porch. And this gentleman doesn't mind. You can see the little bowl there. He puts water out for them. And so they're not even seeking refuge in our building anymore. So, and H hasn't been here all weekend, but I'm sure that she'll complain and say they were a nuisance even though she wasn't here. So, thanks for looking at my post.